Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite homemade dry rubs. It's sweet, it's savory, with just the right amount of heat. Now this is a pretty universal barbecue dry rub. You can use this on ribs, but if you're doing ribs, don't forget to pull the membrane off. And then you want to hit it with some mustard. I like the Grey Poupon, but you can hit it with any flavored mustard that you would like, just to create a binder, so that this dry rub will really stick to it. And don't forget to get the sides, and then just flip it over and repeat for the other side. And as you can see, this dry rub just really gives it a good coating. It can also be used on a Boston butt. Again, same method. Hit it with a binder and just smother it with that dry rub. And of course you can use it on chicken. I like to use olive oil as a binder on my chicken. Not to mention, it just gives it a great color when cooking it. I don't put as much dry rub on my chicken, but I always put a little in the cavity. And then I just fold and tuck the wings under to keep them from burning. Now let me show you what I put in this dry rub. Let's go ahead and start with some smoked paprika. Now you can use regular paprika, I just like the smoky flavor. Then let's add some brown sugar for sweetness, a little garlic powder, we are going to add some salt, but you can leave this out if you would like. We are going to add some cumin. Now, if you've never cooked with cumin, this is just a wonderful, earthy, nutty spice, which is actually very good on hamburgers. Black pepper, chili powder, onion powder, some dry mustard, and some cayenne. And then just whisk this together really well. If you happen to have a few lumps, a spoon works great to get these out. And now we have a wonderful universal dry rub. And it's just that easy, guys. Now stay tuned because I'm going to pop this recipe up on the screen for you so you can take a snapshot. If you like what we're doing here, guys, smash that like button for me. And don't forget to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But when you do, click that little bell. That way, when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to know. This is Sherry saying you guys can do this easily. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in to What the Fox. Until next time, take care.